Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to update the Powerbeats Pro firmware on Android and iPhone. Latest firmware update guide. So firstly check your current firmware version. So on your iPhone, connect your Powerbeats Pro to your iPhone. Then open settings and tap your Powerbeats Pro or go to the Bluetooth and tap the Info I button next to the earbuds and scroll down to view the current firmware version. For the Android users, open the Beats app and connect your Powerbeats Pro. Then select your earbuds from the device list. Scroll to the under the hood section to view the installed firmware version. Now update Powerbeats Pro on iPhone. So place both earbuds inside the charging case. Close the case lid. Then connect to the charging case to a power source. Now keep the case within Bluetooth range of your iPhone, iMac or Mac. Ensure the Apple device is connected to the Wi-Fi and leave the earbuds near the device for at least 30 minutes. Now firmware update install automatically when available. Now we see how update Power Beats Pro on Android. So install the latest version of the Beats app from the Google Play Store. Connect your Power Beats Pro to the app. If the firmware update is available, you can update button will be appear. Then tap update and follow the on-screen instruction. Keep the earbuds connected and close your phone until the update complete. Goodbye.